Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About Phone. Now we have to enter version, and here we have to keep tapping on the build number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. As you can see, we've got the information, so we can go back to the general settings, and here let's enter additional settings. And after scrolling down, actually here in this, let's say, second section, we've got the developer options right in the middle, so let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the animator duration scale, we can show visual feedback for tabs, here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, to the Wi-Fi, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options to personalize, and in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, the options immediately disappear. And after getting back to the additional settings, you cannot see the developer options, but of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your REALME GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.